All systems go.
Hey everyone, DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin, and today we're going to be reviewing the Pethind water fountain in the following order. The price for the water fountain is $50 after you redeem your promo code at Amazon.com. Here are the contents that comes with the water fountain. The water fountain comes with the following: a 2-gallon stainless steel container with clamp, 3 water filters, 2 rubber hoses for the pump, 2 square sponges for a USB pump, a cleaning brush, and of course the user manual. Now let's talk about the features and details. The Pethind stainless steel water fountain has a window allowing you to monitor the water levels at all times. It offers superior longevity, safety, and sturdier than any plastic pet fountains. It is also EPA regulated. Most importantly, it withstands high temperature in a dishwasher system, ensuring that your pet always have clean and healthy water. Here are some other features for the Pethind water fountain. A 2-gallon large capacity water fountain suitable for all breeds. It can meet weekly water consumption needs for dogs, ensuring your pet has fresh water even when you're away from from working or traveling. In case of power outage in your home, the top cover can provide 18 ounces of water for emergency use for pets. The built-in water pump in the dog fountain is reliable and long-lasting. Operating less than 20 dB, the low power consumption pump includes dry run protection feature. It will alert a red light and stop working when water level is too low. So with that being said, let's set up and assemble our water fountain for my very own best friend here and test out the water system to see how well it works for her. And if you're still watching, please like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on these popular social media platforms.
Perfect.
So before I set up this water fountain, let's talk about the important information when maintaining and using your Pethind water fountain. So the first thing to know is this is an indoor water fountain. You must clean it at least once a week. Also, clean the components with a cleaning brush. Replace your water filters every 3 weeks. And finally, when the water pump is working, all lights will light up. Okay, so I put a little bit of water in it. I already inserted the pump with the cable that's supposed to go to the wall outlet. And I already assembled the filter to the top lid. So all we need to do is power on the water fountain and see if she likes it. So I'm hoping she does. So it's not for me. Let's see if it works to her standards, okay? So the fountain works well. Let's see if it's Playful approval.
All systems go.
Perfect.
And as you can see, my puppy likes it. The water system is perfect for all pets. I also would like to say it's a 1-year warranty, and if you need to buy additional accessories such as a filter, a rubber hose, or a USB water pump, you can do so at Amazon.com, and it's less than $5 for each item. So if anyone has any other questions, just leave it in the comment section below. And thank you for watching. Stay safe.
Perfect.